Set within the gated community of Pelican Crest in Newport Coast, California, this enchanting palatial estate is nestled in a landscaping lot offering panoramic views over the ocean, city, and Newport Harbor. The 11,600 square foot home was custom built in 2005 and modeled in the style of a great Italian villa. Enter through a gated, whimsical garden featuring mature plantings, a soaring columned front entry, and stunning Tuscan-style fountain. The stately interiors exude romantic details such as a hand-painted Florentine-style dome and Venetian plaster walls. Exemplifying refined grandeur, the home is introduced by a dramatic vaulted hall, limestone flooring, and a solarium highlighted by a hand-carved Italian fountain that leads to one of 3 loggias. The living room, upholstered in Italian silk stree, and a formal dining room embellished in hand-glazed coffered ceilings. The intimate family room is serviced by a built-in bar and features beamed ceilings and 5 sets of French doors opening onto 2 large loggias with a formations fireplace mantel. Satisfying modern tastes, the chef's kitchen is accoutred with French limestone floors, quartzite counters, and a farmhouse-style sink. Equally impressive, the fully paneled library offers redwood panels and French doors that open to a loggia. The primary suite occupies a separate wing of the second level and hosts a private covered terrace overlooking the blue water vistas, large walk-in closet, and spa-like bath outfitted in Calcutta marble. On the lower level, you'll find the mansion's screening room, bar and billiards room, as well as a discreet underground garage providing parking for up to 8 cars. French doors open out onto the manicured backyard and several terraces for quintessential California indoor-outdoor living. In addition to an infinity swimming pool and spa, luxury outdoor amenities include an outdoor kitchen with built-in barbecue and numerous outdoor dining areas.